Looking for a skillet that delivers even cooking, easy cleanup, and versatile use? This 16-inch heavy cast aluminum skillet offers all that and more. Its deluxe non-stick surface, both inside and out, ensures your food browns beautifully without sticking or burning. Plus, with built-in features designed for convenience, it's a kitchen essential worth considering. What sets this skillet apart is its thoughtful design. The base and handles detach and nest inside the pan, making storage compact and hassle-free. Fold-down handles let you separate the skillet pan from its base, so cleaning becomes a breeze. The tempered glass cover lets you monitor your food while cooking, and the stay cool handles mean you can serve right from the skillet without burning your hands. It even doubles as a buffet server, making it perfect for everything from roasting and frying to grilling and baking. One standout feature is the built-in pour spout that also serves as a spoon and spatula rest during cooking and serving. This clever detail keeps your countertop clean and tools within easy reach. The skillet's large 16-inch base and high sidewalls provide extra cooking capacity, ideal for one-dish meals or family-sized portions. It's energy efficient too, heating faster and using less power than a traditional range burner or oven. The Control Master heat control automatically maintains your desired cooking temperature, giving you consistent results every time. Users rave about its durability and performance. One satisfied customer shared how the skillet heats evenly without burning food and cleans up easily, even after years of use. While the lid can get hot, allowing it to cool briefly before handling solves the issue. Many appreciate how it simplifies cooking, especially when used over a cooktop, reducing cleanup time significantly. If you're ready to upgrade your cookware with a skillet that combines efficiency, versatility, and easy maintenance, this heavy cast aluminum model is worth a look. Whether you're roasting, frying, or serving straight from the pan, it adapts seamlessly to your kitchen needs. Try it when you're ready to experience a smarter way to cook.